What's going on, folks? It's Mark, DLUX Motorsports. If you haven't subscribed yet, in the bottom right corner right there, you can hit the subscribe button, check out all the newest videos that we have coming up. This video is on a 2008 Chevrolet 2500 6.6 Duramax 6-speed Allison tranny. Truck has just over 119,000 original miles. Very nice truck for an 08. It's just came out of our service department. We did a ton of service to it to make sure everything is up to par the way it should be. Probably one of the biggest services we did. If you guys are not familiar with them on the LMMs, when they're not driven all the time, they have lower miles. The vanes in the turbo can start getting stuck a little bit. So we pulled the turbo on this truck, had it serviced, taken apart, cleaned. That service alone, I think, was like 15 or 16 hours. But we have over 30 hours in just labor time, just in service, to make sure the truck is mechanically the way it should be. All the upgrades will be listed on my website. Just basics, 6-inch rough country kit, running Fox shocks at all 4 corners, upgraded LED tail lights, color match bumpers, off-road fender flares painted to match. Obviously you can see the upgraded grille in the front in all 3 locations. So mechanically a very, very nice truck. Cosmetically has some small flaws that you would expect. It's got some rock chipping. If you look at the very bottom, you can see some rock chipping. It's just basically from running wide. If you're running wide wheels, wide tires, you're gonna get that. Black shows it a little bit more. We are gonna touch those up so they definitely won't be noticeable. Interior, this is a LT model. This was special ordered with vinyl floors. So it's a beautiful two-tone tan and black interior. It's got vinyl bottom, so super easy to clean. You can see how nice it cleaned up after we cleaned it. Just a gorgeous interior. But the floors typically on an LT would not come like that. They would come with carpet. If vinyl bothers you, we easily can install brand new OEM Chevrolet carpet that would go right into this truck, no problem. So if vinyl bothers you, easily we can install carpet, not a big deal. You see upgraded FASS fuel system. Same thing, a couple rock chips here and there on the very bottom of the door. Again, just running wide, that's going to happen. Overall though, very good shape. No rust on the body. Driver's seat's good, power seats. No big flaws on the inside either. Again, you gotta remember, we are looking at a truck that's 11 years old, but it's still in very good shape. There's some pictures from the undercarriage of the truck. You see a couple small rock chips on the front bumper. We touch them up with OEM touch-up paint and then clear coat over top of them. Sometimes if we get time, we'll actually have them wet sanded down and smoothed out so they make it, you know, super, super unnoticeable. But again, this is an 08 2500 Duramax, just over 119,000 original miles. It is tuned, it is deleted. You got five different tunes with the EFI Live. It does have a 5th wheel, so anybody that needs to run 5th wheel stuff, it is installed, ready to go. But up and down, very affordable price truck too. We're pricing this truck at only $28,900. Any of my Duramaxes typically that we sell, that we offer under 30 grand, sell really quick. So if you're in the market, you don't want to spend a lot of money on the Duramax, I don't expect this one to hang around terribly long at all. I'm going to say an average of probably about 2 weeks and this truck will probably be gone. I also do have a 2008 blue one coming in as well. Crew cab, 6 inches of lift, running 35s. It's an LTZ model. Obviously you can see this truck was cloth. And here's the deal. You know, we're a full custom dealer, so I have accounts with cat skin and road wire. So if you're one of those guys, you love the truck, but you need leather interior, we do custom leather installs on any truck like these. They average around $1,000 installed for a set of brand new leather front to back. So don't let small stuff like that stop you. Make sure you call us. Again, we're a full custom shop, so we have access to different wheels, different tires, lighting, anything you could ever want. So make sure you give us a call, 540-898-1300. Again, in the bottom right corner, if you haven't subscribed to us yet, hit subscribe. It'll allow these to, and if you hit the bell notification, it'll allow you to see these videos firsthand as soon as we post them. Especially if you're in the market for a truck, it kind of gives you the first chance to really be able to see it in person. So Again, if you got any questions, give us a call. You can shoot us an email direct, DLUXmotorsports@gmail.com. Check us out on our website at www.dlux-motorsports.com.